Can you imagine? I think this would be a good segment. Can you imagine going to an off-site Amazon distribution center that has everything that you could possibly want? It's a combination of furniture, books, clothing, and now that they sell cars. And you go in there, or you know, what would be interesting is if they actually shuttled people to there, and it's like Disney World or one of the entertainment parks where you go in and there's everything that you could possibly want, and you could buy it on Amazon credit. As long as remember, I remember you. That would be an interesting concept. I mean, there's a reason why people still go to Ikea, even though the majority of the online, or the majority of the purchases that are being made are online. Even, you know, cars. I think Jim was saying that, like, it used to be that consumers would go to 6 dealerships before they became a customer and they bought. Now it's consumers go to 1.2 before they purchase, which means that the majority of the research is done online. So people still shop at Ikea, even though they have weird...
You know, the article that I read about Ikea recently is that Ikea is the largest brick and mortar retailer in the world.
Really?
But they are now getting into online, and they're doing it in like a crazy way.
How's that?
They designed an app where,
you take a picture of your living room?
Take a picture of, you don't even have to take a picture. You select the furniture that you want. You wave you can look through the camera and it places the furniture on the wall. I mean, it's cool.
With the introduction of augmented reality and virtual reality, it'll be a matter of time before you can sit, you could put a headset on, or you're gonna have glasses, and you're gonna be able to test drive a vehicle before ever stepping a foot into the dealership. I think that's going to be the next future of car buying experience, is being able to provide the customer with the 3D view, but you're being able to put on gloves and being able to actually feel the differences between the materials and feel the difference between the acceleration. Maybe it's just a head unit for now, but in a couple years, I think that definitely has a future. You know, VR and AR definitely have a future in the automotive industry. As long as I remember you. I'd like to thank you for watching our content. If you find it helpful or just entertaining, please like and subscribe. Thank you.